everybody, I wanted you to be able to hear the sound effect and know what to listen for. This is my way of showing you. I'm going to play the sound effect just so you will have the opportunity to hear it and know what to listen for. I don't want to throw you off guard and play something that you're not even expecting or anticipating. So that's why I'm playing it now. This is not, I repeat, this is not your cue to call. This is not your cue to win. This is not your cue to go say, hey, I heard it. Because this is not the contest. The contest doesn't officially start until August 19th. And even that day, who knows if you'll hear it. But this is what the sound effect sounds like, just so you'll know.
I'm watching you, bro.
That's it. Really quite simple. Just listen for that sound effect, and when the guy says what you just heard, psst, I'm watching you, bro. When you hear that, then you'll know that it's time for you to respond, and go to the comment area down below the video of the shave of the day and write, I heard it. The first person that is recognized as being eligible, that means you have to be 18 and older, of course, through the rules, which I will tag down below. You'll have the chance to read them if you want. But for those of you who don't remember what the rules are, I will gladly go over them for you, okay? Let me go to my mail here and find it for you. Okay, where are we, brother? Contest rules. Okay, here we go. Rules for the giveaway. There will be 2 prizes given. One is the Bad Blood Dreadnought knife, which I've showed you guys. I'll show you again. That's it, the Dreadnought. The other prize is this awesome fat handle tech. This is a pre-war era tech from Gillette 3-piece safety razor, made only from 1938 to 1942. Anyway, now you know what we're giving away. I didn't want to have a giveaway with prizes through a random.org giveaway. I wanted something that would require a little bit of paying attention and participation. So that's what we're doing. Only 1 prize per person. Whoever wins the knife cannot win the razor, and vice versa. All participants, whether trying to win the knife or the razor, must be at least 18 years of age or older. All you do is listen for the specified sound effect that I played you a moment ago, where the guy says, psst, I'm watching you, bro. And as soon as the shave of the day video is posted, listen for that quote, then comment below, I heard it. If you're the first person to qualify that commented, I heard it, then you will win. First, we're giving away the razor. The second time we play that sound will be the knife giveaway. I would suggest that you guys who by chance are trying to win the knife, and you live, say, outside of the continental United States, across the pond or wherever, I would tell you right off the bat, I am making no guarantees you will get your knife if you win. Who knows what lurks in the evil of all men who work, and women, who work for our customs offices and your customs offices. So the knife would have to make it through customs for you to win it, or to receive it, actually. And if you don't get it, then I apologize. You are without a prize. So it's best just to try to win the razor if I were you and I lived outside the continental United States. Just a suggestion, you play it however you want to play it, okay? Keep in mind, again, the razor will be given away first, the knife second. There will only be 2 qualifiers and, of course, obviously 2 winners. Unless, that is, the person found trying to qualify does not actually do so. If by chance they do not qualify, they are deemed null and void, and the prize will be passed on to the second person commenting below them that said, I heard it. Okay? If by chance that person is not deemed eligible, or is not deemed eligible, meaning they have to be 18 years of age or older, if that's not the case, then, oh well, the next person gets it. So on and so forth. Prizes will not be mailed out until I get my check on the 3rd of the month, so keep that in mind. But that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day. With the shave of the day, okay? All right. Welcome in, guys, the shave of the day.